Friday night, you and your boys went out to eat. Then they hung out, but you came home around 3. If 6 of y'all went out, then 4 of you were really cheap. Yeah. 'Cause only 2 of you had dinner, found your credit card receipt. It's not right, but it's okay. I'm gonna make it anyway. Pack your bag up and leave. Don't you dare come running back to me. It's not right, but it's okay. I'm gonna make it anyway. Close the door behind you, leave your key. Rather be alone than unhappy. Yeah. Pack it back so you can leave town for a week. Yes, I can. The phone rings, and then you look at me. Turn and look at me. Said it was one of your friends down on 54th Street. So why did 2 and 3 show up on your party? Oh, I've been through all this before. Don't think about it. It gon' get gone. Things are gonna change, baby. You don't stand no chance, boy. Yeah. Don't you turn around. There's no more tears left here for you to see. Is it really worth you going out like that? Tell me. Oh. See, I'm moving on, and I refuse to turn back. See, all the time, I gotta have somebody down for winning.